Hey, this is Andrew Rains with Apex Pro. We're here today to answer frequently asked questions sponsored by Winding Road Racing. So what's in this magic box and how can it help me? There's a couple of things to know about the Apex Pro device. And first of all, it has a 9-axis IMU, an inertial measurement unit, and a 10 Hertz GPS, 10 times the frequency of your smartphone's GPS. That hardware is what allows us to create a machine learning based model, and that is basically what's shown to you on the display. So Apex Pro has really powerful sensors. It also has machine learning capabilities, so the software iterates using those sensors to learn the potential of your vehicle as you drive.